If you're learning JavaScript and you probably think your code is fine until something weird happens, your data changes, your backup isn't really a backup, your update function breaks things that you even touch. Today I will show you JavaScript mistakes beginners don't notice, but they cause real problem. And the scary bit is they look completely normal. So let's go. Let's create two different arrays. One is called cart, which holds two different fruits, apple and banana. Let's define another variable, which is called backup cart, and it copies over the cart variable that we created earlier. Now, let us push one extra item to cart array. So we'll use cart.push oranges. Let's log these two variables into console. Now let us run these two codes. So to run this code, node and the file name. Surprised, right? As you can see, both of these variables, card and backup card, have oranges added to them. And why? Because JavaScript doesn't copy arrays by default. It copies the reference. So, which means if the variables are pointing to the same memory. So when you push the item or value into one array, you are modifying both arrays. If you actually want to copy, we need to use this spread operator. To use the spread operator, we'll go over here in the card variable, backup card variable, and use this spread operator. Now save the changes and let us run the code again. As you can see now, the at the out as you can see now in the terminal for the output, the first one has got apple, banana, oranges, and the second array has got apple and banana. The reason being the backup card is actually now copying over the array rather than refreshing the same point in the memory. If you're thinking it's only array, objects also do the same thing. Objects behave the exact same way. So let us define an object called user. A user has a name, has a key, which is my name, and a score of certain value. Let us copy that user object into another variable called admin and change the value of score for admin. Now let us console.log both of these variables, user now let us run this code. Now let us comment those two previous console.log codes and run this code again. As you can see, you have changed the admin, but the user has changed too. The reason is the same reason as we discussed earlier. Objects are also shared by reference. Both variables point to the same object in the memory. To fix it, we need to use the spread operator again. So in admin variable, we will add spread operator, which basically copies over the user object. And now let us run this code again. As you can see, because you have updated admin object, the only admin object has the increased score. The previous user object is the same. Many beginners think map makes everything safe. Well, it doesn't. Let's look into this code. Look in this code. We'll define a product object, product array. That has got an object as an item, which has got name. Let's say laptop. and price, let's say $1,000. Now let us update the product array. Update it equals to, using map, we'll use map for this one. Map p, let's use an arrow function. P is the price of, is the price 100, return p. Now run this code again. Okay. Sorry, I missed to set the code. Now let us run this code again. As you can see, the value of price, input products array and updated array, it's 1100. You think you are creating a new data, but you actually mutated the original object. Yes, map creates a new array, but the object inside that map are still the same reference. So the original products array is now modified too. That's how hidden bugs happen. Let's look at the safer version. The safer version of this would be, let's get rid of the existing code. Let update it. We'll use the spread operator inside the map function. The map copy over the product. Copy over the product using spread operator. Then price is to be the price plus 100. Save this and let us run this code again. Now you are creating a brand new object for each item. There is no shared reference, no accidental mutation, and now it's truly safe. Most beginner JavaScript bugs don't come from complex code. They come from shared references, hidden mutations, and not understanding how memory works. If you understand this early, you'll avoid hours of debugging later, and your code will instantly level up. If this helped you, subscribe for more practical JavaScript breakdowns, because JavaScript isn't random, it's predictable once you understand it.